Shattered glass on the floor, hearts in fragments, cold war. Echoes of your last laugh linger like a locked door. A mirror can't reflect me, not the me from before. I'm a ghost in my own life, can't feel me no more.
Baby girl.
Frank.
Abraham, are you okay?
Fitze, don't sit down, wait. Fitze, we are not for half an hour over.
Come on, let me sit.
Who is Sandra? Who is Sandra?
Abraham, I know yes, Sandra. They say a girl now, John a bag of car in the morning and send me breed. That's the only Sandra I know. What is it?
George A. Catramino.
Abraham, then see like. I'm crying now.
Well, for your information, Sandra came here. Obekachre Mr. Onion, Emma, Frank.
Me.
So after everything I did for you, this is how you decide to repay me, right?
Come on, are you kidding me?
Do I look like I'm joking? Huh? Many bring me cast my choke catch him say, am I kidding you?
Sandra Bell Jumu as on the menu. Now Jumu in the first place, I don't know who.
Oh, okay, so there your problem is the fact that she came here to tell me.
No, T. Abraham. My explaining be now Sandra, Debbie, meaning shade and it's hidden on your mummy.
Who be Sammy?
Meaning,
did dear girl now baha abeyeno?
So on the menu.
Why? What have I done to you? It's Uba say, Uba abe embarrassing me. Whoa, after everything you know I've gone through. Everything I've done for you.
Bra, Mr. Brafom. Sandra has said now who can. Shakon or the Mafaso. I'm a son and Akodan and Akonim. There be mean to me, Sada. Or the minium. Be a name, Sandra and a bar. Because on going to make us ask.
How do you know, saying, your friend Sandra, saying you're on the bar? Bisan Qualano, Bisan did or Abeya Wahano.
Abena, that's the same girl or pair as a man. What do we do?
So if it's the same girl, it's true. And you're on George, I catch him so bad damn honum. On in the down for 5 months, me yet 3 something as if for. I
told you the last time, say a demon when
you got her pregnant, you were sleeping with her. Frank, one can't train me, right?
Many will be under.
Uninindaya, how come she's pregnant? And she came here. How did she even know this place?
I don't know, maybe so. I'm more across who about her. Many doesn't say, Abraham, come on, my cabby be at you. Without you, need to go for baby.
You know what, Frank? Just I don't.
Mr. Bra from Tennessee.
Don't sit. What a casual set, Tennessee. Please, just leave. Okay, just leave. Leave. Mimi kwa ni wa how my dear will get on abeye wa hanu.
Please don't
baby mama, no ni my dear wa beye wa hanu.
Abena me no be anyam.
I can't deal with
Nobody is my baby mama.
You just
Enya wa, why?
Leave.
Open me. You are standing in front of me, say me free and
Leave. Kona koshe o baby mama. Ko. Na kacha say mani. Na mani tuni na in me shop have been. What's a make sure no? Leave. I said leave. Angie.
Has it gotten to that? I should leave from this place.
Patricia, see him to the door.
So, can you sack me from here?
He's an order, so I'll have to obey him.
I'm your boss.
You are whose boss? Boss of what?
He's asking me to sack him, so I have to obey him, please.
Alright, boss. I will leave.
Please let me see you off. Hello.
Hey,
Please.
don't touch me.
Please, can you?
Abraham. Mati.
Hello.
I will
Please,
leave.
the time is ticking. You can leave. Hello.
Hey,
Please,
I'm
the time.
leaving.
Please,
Please.
you have to please.
Don't touch me.
Please, I wouldn't touch you. So you can take the lead. All right then.
Abraham, so you don't trust me anymore.
Please, no time for explanation. Please, you can leave. Hello.
Hey.
Please, you can leave. Please. Respectfully.
Mama party. Hey. Oh, Frank.
Shattered glass on the floor, Hearts in fragments, Cold War. Echoes of your last laugh linger like a locked door. A mirror can't reflect me, not the me from before. I'm a ghost in my own life, can't feel me no more. Silent nights, louder than our screaming fights. Words cut sharp, left scars in the dim light. Promises turned ashes, burned in the frostbite. A love like a landslide, bury me outright. I gave you my soul, you gave me hindsight. Every I love you felt staged under spotlights. What's a vow worth when it's just noise? What's a heart do?
Frank. George. Dear Sama, I don't say we are both, and we are not in the show. Huh?
Hey, Sandra. George, I hear Sandra there me.
Sandra, baby.
George, me near Sandra born you. Me near Sandra show. Me nim.
I why emotional.
George,
sure.
Dear Sandra, I me. Sandra di me wo.
Why are they? Dear, why? Dear,
George, Sandra tu what time to 29. Akwa abra djuma mu. Akwa catch abna so de me menyem. Sandra.
Wawa bra.
I know your bra.
Ana Sandra akwa catch say one abranyem. One wonyem.
Sandra so ne menyem o. George.
Say na you na so one na yi.
George me ne die. Na say Sandra nye me bibia.
Na den otimi hu abran shop akwa catch abran say one nyem.
It is confusing.
Share. Oh, that problem no say you su brofo.
George, me hu dia me nye o.
Bibo.
Me nim kwan kro
What
fa so
they open ma na say nyama so
tie ma say any
braba sa do mo kire say
we want to kire oba be na me de ko kire
and was akọ introduce na kire abna say oba no ni tie
me fani ko chia obi a
obetimi aye say ho ma do so we be confused
e de ne ma do so ni ti asema ba na panya say mi ka cha we na say ogina o
ana eti say abna say dey
e say abna say mo kenya say o say me man space o twi no afiri mu kakra me ne girl nko tena Sandra so nye me bibia George
o say Frank first that me hu ni Sandra me catch say wa hwe ya obehwe wadi bu kai enti say oba ho mpe no wo entertain ni side dey wo se gay wo su ni hwe Sandra wo su ni hwe ti die ni entertainment ya wo tim betena adwumam na wo ni didi bom na wo fa ne kwa ha na de ni yese lenti 70 oyo oba no sa wo mpe ne kwa no ompe wo
George me nim say sa adwen wo ntirmu
hwe wa kire wo nim sa adwen me ne wo
say ma ka kire say my girlfriend abena ma bo abena din kura kire no ba adwuma mu onyam na me kire no ho o nanti wo hu say Sandra ofia me ne ne bibi so wa wo ne na da George na no pra me fe da na me na koda no so onyam me girlfriend
do bia ne na otimi ko mpra ho straight to mpra ko ka kire say wo ne wonyam. How can that be possible?
Me nim de ba na so e ma ne ko yesa o unu ade say me ne den sia I don't want to lose abena bro. Say
rain hano. Oh say yeah, oh yes, oh show emotions say.
I don't
disturb.
I don't know what to but
okay. And you say no be hu de obey.
If I know, I won't ask.
I won't ask you. Nah. I will say wo ha wo be dey.
If I know, I won't ask. I don't be bisa we.
I'll find a way. Ti brofo no den kwasum.
I'm listening.
Yes, I'll find a way and speak to Abna for you. If that would be the good thing for you.
God the catchy na me tia say.
Me pa kwami suni Abna kasama.
About this.
Say yes, you know. So when Sandra and nada.
So what are you going to tell Abna? Like I just want to know.
Let's say me opasa kamikasa, opasa me this here. Bisi me di pa me kasa.
Na me ni pa nda nti wo ko ka say a kire na na.
Me ko kan na kire no.
Wo se dey this here.
Ah, na dey me ka every want. Me say me pa kwami suni Abna hia na me na kasa. On your behalf.
So what are you going to tell Abna to convince her for me?
I say it's who na so ni Sandra ni night. So I'll tell Abna that you don't have anything with Sandra.
Proper. You should have told me this. Why? Me that say
proper ni dey.
Say good. Like say no na wo ko kan dey. Why?
Unim ebe ewura dem da kakra na wo sorry a ultimate reflection obi a wo kaka no ya abodama no ah tu so o pe ma asem do we ni jima ho do
ajimi no anja da koma pira wo sa wo pe ma asem pe eno na sense na wo pe ma ah da bi na tika me be ma kam ko pe me ma na de no no
o ye o so reaction
ja de o cheche no ja wo pe ma so na wo pe ma
oba o catch us o bie shop soro no from na no say mu ode
de na mu ode
and I was starting we entertaining no ke ko wie say I'll talk to Abna Mishia no me ne be kasa
anti ene ne nkasa
ma me no mu say me hu say woni na pie free da we ma aba girl na siesie ne ho so to wa yi mu frap bet o chirim say woni ne nya hwe
na no anka na de na aba
na say na me de be convince na nya na me de be convince
na ko convince wan na ti enu mu wo ehwenda nipa na to ne flap na flap ko bi e kire oba na ye dey oh
ma say me sham hada me sham gate ya no da
enjimi o me sell so wo de office oni ni asem papa bi aka o de stop I will go and talk to her myself o de jai why
okay
jai because the asema
banana no I was trying to help you but if you
in what came
in what came I was say hey Uti I was trying to help you but if you think you can help yourself I don't have any problem I will just leave you for you to help yourself. So what's your next move?
Charlie, I don't know my step.
What do you mean, Charlie? Idea, it can never only get to one person's head. It comes with different sizes. Oh, shall see every baby behind a kind of bell. And I'm Busa again, woman, or your would dear, or your girlfriend, or so when you girlfriend, she is just. Who is explaining this or a jest? Oh, we are just a little copy. So we are just a little copy.
Hey, Frank. Oh, no, forget everything. Sandra. Frank. The man's romance really can be changed.
Mr. Sandra is not here.
So where is she?
When you what was here and a piano that was Adumbi ne kura dan kaba na nko wu kura problem a wona mu no menye so Sandra na obusa na sekura fi no obetimi aka bibia a kire opanyi problems be bre na Sandra dia bre no
Sandra
with Sandra yes
Sandra.
Yes problems again dia bre me yonko yi no adumbi na ama me yonko da so ti ase aba na nka bi kura nko wu nti opanyi sa ba so be Sandra free adia wrong place na oba no because ono say no oni ni
we bi we wanted
and yes minimum
because confusion is me who know me friend na on fa
open it up and people free people free
also when is what Jimmy pa
say
na somehow can me show bia me go find
me pe o he na wo hu nti say wo be dey and again ankasa open me too for onye ni papa sa so who ni say bia oye ni papa ma de a minim
me dey no ye ni papa ma me
sana hu no
sana me hu no only say
Uncle Mr. See an baby am mad when they say so of Sandra now I am a junior so on for any kwangi and then my man say Sandra me ni hwe you me ni hwe me pese me ni kura we kura be hu no me pese me ti
na uni ni
opani I know it's no the last month to
so now uni no e baby
I just don't want to see again that's all me pese me ti ni kura mo so and na me nua ne catch you say you see baby am dina sisi no Penny, I can't say my ship home. A Biam Gina and a hot trono. I may copy my customer ship home.
Sandra, Sandra, someone I'm okay.
Now, why are some now? Are you confused, father? Are you confused? You are talking about Sandra.
Sandra, no, my Sandra.
For your own Sandra, opinion, yes, Sandra.
And I made sure
that is your own Sandra.
I am a Juma, Mr. Next time I'm finding common baby. Percematini being pro or soon beam, and I'm so many will probably be. She's not here.
Somehow, if you are human, as a just kind of. Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you.
Do you know who
at this point, you know,
sometimes. Young father going to be again, but I'll buy my church in 7 million. My candy will be out of bed. I'm so forced was it. We don't tell us I want to the mechanic.
Oh, that was I said, or threaten me.
I'm not threatening you, please. Father, Mr. O. My mind racing, you see, I will be a
mind racing, you know.
Oh, Father,
racing the oil. As soon as Sandra, that's all. That story now will catch him. Name is family. Have your own threatening me.
I'm not threatening you. I'm threatening you. Or how are Sandra, their blames is here, Father?
In the session, or him, Sandra, no.
I said we several times, but minimum the already.
And this on me.
But you just say, oh, who is say, better.
So, no.
Mr. South title, you feel me? So, Minini baby, she's just a friend, Mr. They say no, Minino time. Mr. Father, Mr.
It's the Patricia or buy or the red can buy.
Red cabbage.
Me can't be Tomano. No.
I don't even know she's having a car.
I've been talking from America because American and go to a car. You can't go to a man.
What to come on? I said, questions I don't see. Also, who know?
Me here no?
My essay. My essay.
Question man, I'll be some no.
So we say,
what was right now? Besides my saying,
so obey you, because so what you got to car? I'm Sandra, the I know what they mean.
I'm a madam, you will be your lawyer, your doctor, your engineer.
So we will be a
Sandra, no, I am my Sandra.
Is she your daughter?
My Sandra.
Is she your daughter?
She can be my, who cares?
Okay.
Whatever.
But we haven't saw him, so
every week we might scar. Every week, man, 10,000 cities. 10,000 every week.
So biography now actually is here. No, me and you, many are very. So the other man in the day.
That because I am going to be able to say, okay, we are fired. You are calling me, Papa. You are calling me. You are doing. You are the bomb now. You are going.
And to money the bomb now. The bomb. To money bet me the bomb now.
But now you count the
combination of minds can create lots of.
What do you say? Mine, no, to say, and then Papa no, the name one. What is your kind?
I don't give a.
What was a money with now?
Tell me.
I don't know what they say, and them. And I don't know what we feel. Huh? Kobby ba. Who be some so be ba. Na man no gina well. Why now po na don't want to move? Say ba nkwa na ho afa nkwa na pe oba wa kwa bi shop. Wo ba wi ase wo mpa oba afi no start brother wo podi wa bo bra wi.
Asem na e jai.
Na tan di kanye bra wa bo awi ni shop ode be dada wanka be ni cha kunya amane wi. So dem say wa agu no e ho de. Sis be ho de nko a be ho de. Si e sina me do bi ko be si bye. Ana me fa nko. So bet be trade this anam dia kodia. Apani chire ma no ge na twene dio.
Yeah. What are so called yesterday?
I was watching any watching the car.
You see what I don't know what happened between them. You see how much I'm here.
Now, I have a day.
Minute, Massa, Mania bro, a brana issue about to is here. Also called yesterday. What about Tatiana? Oh, Diamond person, I see, and pum me and pum me. See, free me, and pum me, are they? Mr. Messiah and pum me.
Metucano, two way. Share. That's how wide they step. See me before you. It's not Palma, I will say. Ah. God. Master. Ah, there no. Hey. Ah, na where sir? Na see. Na katem say bia me see. Si so. Na won cash in na go to terminal free. Share. I say the baby ado no. Ah, no bia mu je see na ofiri akotena kan wa wutu. What they say? So katem say bia wutu. What they say? Da bi nso me mu. Share di ma misi. Frank, nso mu. Me nka say bodam. Da bi nso mu. Ana me show say bodam. Da bi nso mu. So tim so bodam a wan hwe beti woni so. What's your sem now? Solid the matches. Some guys a man a bit from. I guess a man a bit cool. Once I feel to be as after the baby, I won't give you. But be no bit my human flat as far as I see you. Come and tell me who they'll be no bit to my come. Okay. When I mean, be no bit to my come. Now the way he says they'll go crank happy. Which now we do never permanent. Maybe I'm at you. I want to know. Debbie, send me now. We know so we they solve problem. I don't really solve you. I'm also netty and a teacher.
See, I'm a tea. We are not baby, mammy. If you are not baby, mammy, my brother Bono, says, see. Bonnie Bain and my Inika, Bonnie Bain, Sandra, Bonnie Bain. Now, you have seen episode teeny passing. Capital teeny passing. Oh, honey, will be 3 months and Cassell, we nippon, see nipentino. Send your audience, I don't know so drink. And Untina now, mammy, no work as an ya bribi, no. Gany power can make catches a walk, swab one the enemy swab bound. Entertainment in our year no again a brabuno. A crime be bribe down. Portos be bribe down one cast a grand is a portos down. Oh, now says I want another. Ubi on an anna, adding no timiding insane, a compra. Nay, then put whom baby on prayer. Eti, una portos be down, grand is a portos down. Oh. The matches make a come because be a make out massem. And so to him, massem now, you hear massem. It's no, me Janet, say pano. I have a pan, I'll call her again, I have an alcungano. That is me problem. Sandra no kuhuni here. Meaning, baby,
let's say, what big problem now, what Janet and answer the
yes, Sandra Bonnet said them seen Sandra here, also 400 million. My fat, ye tia mount. They see then out to 2 nights at the crab. Abena Pamumion, George. Me not that me buy a man can be bianchi, because me ya. Abena Pamumi, Nakura, we uti and a beso me, baby, Abena only for. No, Ben, I said you be catching, and say, Pena when it's in Menenima. Obeto Kikama, no, but open. O baby no bed, or baby no beza. Me Sandra me nimbe bioti friend now fat me nimna jumam na
baby how driving den ko na saloon
say won ye ne de o me ko na guess ne ka che so obey nan na boutique ni so no say so beto ade o e won ye ne de
say on me situation Sandra situation anything na situation twin situation
one di misika o
re na de way unti ko use ka san fa so
ehu ene de wa se ma no dia ne to abena asi abena na me dwen ne ho
ti se wo be da yi se wo out you
me ye den George
wo depend on mass answer na wo didi wo be da didi
kasa asem no me depend on na me nya adwuma de na wo kasa
wo adwuma wo ye se na de ma
na me depend on mass say na
ma say abena pia utia be
na so na me ntia many times am ne abena pia ma wa wo bi da oni scam tia
Wo.
Kasa na Abraham no to aduane nyina man.
And that will be your girl for fra who didn't do restaurant as one now to and be facing life.
Asema ba ka na wo depend on o ba be na depend on so asem na agya ka.
Na man na depend on so.
Na wo to enye ma so na wo depend on mo.
Me start depending ma so da ben.
Da ben.
No na
so wa sha me.
No na kire me.
Kwasa asem firi oko.
You know me say be oba to na for be shop.
Me hu dia me nya me ho sie. Me hu dia me nya me ho. Mu hu se dia abrasi embarazim mo adwuma mu ne nkura ni nyina ni mo pam me. Me
ene na esi o. Papa mo sa de se ne ne no ano no.
Ka bibia kura onti abena mama antena simple.
Na nka pa kunwa.
Na sama ba me girlfriend wa ese metena se ne kasa.
Me de.
Sandra ba dwuma mo betia tie. Me na man kan kire.
It's okay my brother. Stop.
Nti se de na enye.
Keep on stop
I
complaining.
don't want to lose Abena. So what should I do now?
Sure. Can't also the seriousness in your seriousness in the grass either. We don't want to lose Abena. What should you do? It is a whole person here day. Because me say me to me there you. Me yana ma jade wani mu aba. Why? Janso so be tena adwendwe na be me yana ntia akwa ni nyina be boa. Okay. Oh bro. Ana. What's so far? Oh funny mem. You're passing through a lot. I'll take my leave.
Shattered glass on the floor, hearts and fragments, cold war. Echoes of your last laugh linger like a